Hello and welcome to Ajayasthro Guru, your go-to source for the latest updates and in-depth analysis on various commodities. In today's video, we are focusing on two essential spices in the global market, cloves and pepper. Let's dive into the current market trends and what they mean for future prices. Starting with cloves, the market remains steady amidst an ongoing oversupply. In domestic markets like Kottayam, BILT charges are holding firm, ranging between 980 rupees to 1000 rupees per kilogram. This stability is largely due to an increase in imports since the beginning of the year, which has kept prices from rising significantly. Meanwhile, in Shimoga, BILT prices are slightly higher, sitting between 1000 rupees to 1020 rupees per kilogram. Additionally, clove stem prices in Kottayam are around 132 rupees per kilogram. For the local variety known as Lalpuri, the prices hover between 800 rupees and 820 rupees per kilogram. Imported cloves show a range depending on their origin. Comoros cloves are priced between 840 rupees and 860 rupees per kilogram, Madagascar cloves from 880 rupees to 900 rupees, and Sri Lanka cloves from 850 rupees to 880 rupees per kilogram. Looking ahead, the beginning of the harvest season in major clove-producing regions is expected to exert downward pressure on prices. With the ongoing oversupply driven by increased imports, any significant price hikes seem unlikely in the near future. Moving on to the pepper market, we see a mixed trend. In India, prices have remained stable, particularly in Kerala and Karnataka. Currently, ungarbled pepper in Kochi is priced at 65,600 rupees per quintal, while garbled pepper is at 67,600 rupees per quintal. The 500 GL pepper is at 64,600 rupees per quintal. Karnataka's prices range between 65,600 rupees to 67,800 rupees per quintal. Although domestic prices are steady, a slowdown in export demand is expected as harvesting begins in Brazil and reaches its peak in Indonesia. This might affect future prices, but a significant collapse seems unlikely due to the restricted supply. Contrasting this, Vietnam has experienced a price increase of 1,000 Vietnamese dongs per kilogram, with current prices ranging from 141,000 Vietnamese dongs to 142,000 Vietnamese dongs. This follows a recent sharp decline. Despite the reduced supply and shifting import demand, particularly towards Brazil, prices are expected to remain under control despite the rebound. A slowdown in demand from China is also expected to influence prices. Globally, pepper prices are fluctuating, with notable decreases in Vietnam and slight increases in Indonesia. Global production estimates place pepper output between 465,000 and 470,000 tons, while demand is expected to be between 530,000 and 535,000 tons. With lower inventory levels, a further significant decline in prices seems unlikely. However, prices are anticipated to remain low due to insufficient demand at higher levels. As harvesting picks up in Brazil, a price decline is expected due to decreased export demand, though a drastic drop is improbable given the anticipated lower production due to drought conditions. And that wraps up today's analysis on the clove and pepper markets. Stay tuned to Ajayasthro Guru for more updates and in-depth insights on the commodities that shape our world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay informed. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.